Take a ride in the 2015 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.